Let me ask you something personal. When was the last time someone, a teacher, a parent, a friend, sat you down and said, "Here is exactly how money works. Here is how to build wealth. Here is what they never teach you in school"? For most of us, that conversation never happened. We went to school for 15 years. We learned history, chemistry, and mathematics, but nobody, not once, taught us how to manage money, how to invest, or how to actually build a life of financial freedom. And that gap, that single missing conversation, is why 99% of people will never build real wealth. But today, that changes. Welcome to Osmosis Finance. This channel exists for one reason only: to give you the financial education you were never given. Naturally, simply, for free. Stay with me for the next 7 minutes, because what I am about to share with you could genuinely change how you think about money for the rest of your life. Here is a fact that will shock you. Studies show that over 70% of people who win the lottery are broke again within 5 years. 70%. They had millions and lost it all. Why? Because having money and knowing how to grow money are two completely different things. The problem is never the money. The problem is always the mindset. Warren Buffett, the greatest investor who ever lived, said something that stopped me in my tracks the first time I heard it. He said, "The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Not in stocks, not in real estate, not in crypto, in yourself, in your knowledge, in your mindset." Because here is the truth nobody tells you. Wealthy people are not wealthy because they had more money. They are wealthy because they thought differently about money. And that different way of thinking, it can be learned by anyone, including you. So what do the wealthy 1% know that the 99% don't? Let me give you 3 rules, simple, powerful, and completely life-changing. Rule number 1. Make money work for you, not the other way around. Most people work for money their entire lives. They trade time for salary. But wealthy people flip this equation. They build assets, investments, businesses, knowledge that generate money while they sleep. Buffett calls this compound interest. He called it the 8th wonder of the world, and he started at age 11. Rule number 2, spend less than you earn. Always. This sounds painfully simple, but almost nobody does it. Warren Buffett, worth over $100 billion, still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He drives himself to work. He eats McDonald's for breakfast. Why? Because he understands that every dollar saved is a dollar that can compound into hundreds later. Rule number 3, never stop learning about money. Buffett reads 500 pages every single day. He says knowledge builds up like compound interest. The more you learn, the more you earn. And that is exactly why you are here, watching this video right now. You are already ahead of 99% of people. Now let me tell you why I started this channel. I was exactly like you. Nobody in my life talked about money. Nobody explained investing. Nobody showed me how wealth was actually built. I had to figure it all out myself, through years of reading, studying, and learning from the greatest financial minds in history. And the more I learned, the more I realized this knowledge should be available to everyone, not just the rich, not just the educated, everyone. That is what Osmosis Finance is. Think about osmosis in nature, how water flows naturally through a membrane, effortlessly, gradually, nourishing everything it touches. That is exactly how we share financial knowledge here. No pressure, no jargon, no overwhelm. Just pure financial wisdom flowing into your life, naturally. Every Tuesday and Friday, we publish a new video. Each one covers a different lesson, from Warren Buffett's greatest teachings, to investing basics, to the psychology of money, to wealth-building strategies anyone can use. Whether you have $10 or $10,000, whether you are a complete beginner or someone who already knows the basics, there is something here for you. So here is my promise to you. If you subscribe to Osmosis Finance today and watch just 2 videos a week, I guarantee that within 90 days, You will think about money completely differently. You will understand things that most people never learn in their entire lives. Not because you are smarter, not because you are luckier, but because you chose to learn. And that choice, that single decision to invest in your own financial education, is the first step every wealthy person ever took. Remember what Buffett said, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. You just made that investment by watching this video. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next video. This is Osmosis Finance. Knowledge flows, wealth grows.